Hello, in this video we'll show how to create table of contents, table of figures, table of tables inside Microsoft Word. This document is a sample document taken out from a recent research paper I have published. I put the link for the full paper in the description if you want to read it. Now, first of all, from the References tab, there's something called Table of Contents. If you want to create table of contents, you will receive this message indicating there are now no entries that can be identified from Microsoft Word to be as headings inside this document. The same would happen if you want to insert table of figures or table of tables. So we need to tell Microsoft Word where to find the titles and the subtitles inside our document. Now in the second page, introduction, this is the main title for the first section. So to tell Word this is a title for a section, I want to select heading 1. For section 2, it's also a main title, it's also heading 1, level 1. 2.1, that's level 2, heading 2. 2.2, that's again heading 2. 2.2.1, that's level 3, so it should be heading 3. 2.2.2, that's also heading 3. 2.3, that's heading 2. 2.4, that's heading 2. 2.5, that's heading 2. 5.4.1, that's level 3, heading 3. 5.4.2, that's heading 3. 5.4.3, that's heading 3. 6 is heading 1. References also heading 1. Now I'll go back to the start of the document. From references, table of contents, I'm telling Word that identify heading 1 is the main title, heading 2 of the subtitle, heading 3 is level 3 title, section, subsection, and subsection. As you can see, now we have created table of contents. 1 and 2 are level 1, 2.1, 2.2 are level 3, 2.2.1 is level 3. And beside each title, there's a page number. If you click Ctrl on the keyboard and click, you'll go directly to that title. So it's like hyperlink, takes you to the title. Imagine that one of the titles, we insert new text, and one of the titles now in a new page. For example, 4.1 was on page 6, now it's on page 7. I'll go back, 4.1 now on page 6. I want right click, update field. Now I want to update either the entire table in case we have a new titles, or we remove some titles, or we only want to update some page numbers. 4.1 now is in page 6. If I want to update the page numbers, now we have the latest update. Now 4.1 is on page 7. This is how to create table of contents. I'll do the same now, but I want to create table of figures. Now I have 3 figures. I'll skip the first one. I go to the second figure, from references, insert caption, figure 1. Now, second figure, insert caption, figure 2. Now I'll go back to the first figure that I skipped without numbering. Here, insert caption, figure. Now this is figure 1. Let's see the other figures. They are automatically updated as figure 2 and figure 3. If I go to the start of the page, now from here, insert table of figures. Here I can see table of 3 figures. Of course, I can put title, table of figures. I can take this one to a new page if you wish. And because of that, I need to update again the table of contents to update the page numbering. I'll do the same with the tables. I have 3 tables here. Now, from references, insert caption, not of label of type figure, of type table. From the numbering, I can choose also the format that I want to follow. That depends on the template that I want to follow. For example, 1, 2, 3, ABC, and so on and so forth. Okay, now this is table 1. I'll go to the third table now. Insert caption. That's table 2. On purpose, I skipped the second table. Now, if I insert label here for the second table, now this would be table 2, and the last one automatically updated to be table 3. I'll go to the beginning. Now here, insert table of figures of type table, and we have here table 1, table 2, table 3. So this is table of tables. So in this video, we learned how to create table of content, table of figures, table of tables. I hope this was useful. See you in the next video.